So me and Shane have just arrived to Helen, Georgia. We're gonna be here for the weekend for Oktoberfest. It's Friday and we got here early to come do a hike. Currently hitting a little elevation gain, but we are doing part of the Appalachian Trail and to Cow Rock Mountain. I will show y'all part of the trail and some of our festivities from this weekend. View from the top.
It's nice.
So we're just getting festive up here on top of the mountain. Getting Oktoberfest started, right?
Pouring up das Boot.
So we are headed to the next lookout, Green Cliff Top or something like that maybe. The sun's shining a little bit different this way, so you may be able to see more of the fall foliage. Just up here having a good time, getting festive and getting ready for Oktoberfest later today. So we've been to two more small little look-offs that are both nice. We only went 1.34 of a mile, and we're headed back. There's a lot of look-offs on the way back to Helen on this road, so we'll stop at those two. Some that are pointed the other way with some nice fall colors, and we'll go check it out. So me and Shane are just riding around looking at all the fall leaves and all the lookouts. It's been so nice. The road is really pretty. We hit it like peak time riding through, so it's nice. But there's this one little pull off, and it's a nice campsite by the water. So there's our car. I'm walking down here. It's a nice little campsite right off the road, tucked away. So we're about 10 minutes from downtown Helen, and we decided to come to this brewery because we have about another 2 hours until we can check into our place. So it's called Tantrum, isn't it? Tantrum Brewing Company. So we're gonna go check them out, and hopefully they have a few sour beers. Alright, y'all, we're at Oktoberfest, Helen, Georgia.
Cheers, guys! Prost! I'm prosting, and cheers! Get another.
So we got family and friends with us. We're doing Duke's Creek Trail today. Super easy, 1 mile in and then a mile back out. Easy trail today since all of our adventures last night in Oktoberfest. So
Hungover.
yeah, hungover a little.